Hi, welcome back to my mini series in English. I was looking for poems on the rain and I happened to come across this on Wikipedia. It's a poem called There Will Come Soft Rains by Sara Teasdale. This is a very short classic poem about the passivity of nature towards the aftermath of human casualty. The poem goes like this, and it's written in wartime. There will come soft rains and the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound, and frogs in the pools singing at night, and wild plum trees in tremulous white. Robins will wear their feathery fire, whistling their whims on a low fence wire. And not one will know of the war. Not one will care at last when it is done. Not one would mind, neither bird nor tree, if mankind perished utterly. And spring herself, when she woke at dawn, would scarcely know that we were gone. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.